Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Educarte, and in today's video we are going to start with chapter number 8, which is quadrilaterals. And in today's video this is going to be only and only is introduction of to the chapter. So what is a quadrilateral? Before understanding its types, we have to understand the meaning of this word quadrilaterals. So basically, according to your understanding, what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is any figure which has four sides. For example, uh, yes, let me read it. Yes, this is a quadrilateral because it has four sides in total. But this is not a defined quadrilateral. So there are total five defined quadrilaterals. So first of all, let's write the definition of quadrilateral. Any figure which has four total sides. Okay, any figure which has four total sides. So there are total five types of quadrilateral, which are first of all kite, square, rectangle, parallelogram, and at last rhombus. Okay, these are only well defined, and other you can make any. Any means any. For example, this also. This is a quadrilateral. Okay, so let's come to next page. Okay, so first of all, rectangle. Rectangle is a figure which has all the angles 90 degree and opposite sides equal to each other, which means this angle 90, this angle 90, this also 90, and this also 90. These two sides will be equal and these two sides will be equal. Okay, so in this we can write opposite sides are equal and all the angles 90 degree. Okay, all the angles 90 degree and opposite sides equal to each other. Next one, let me use a purple pen. So square. Square we all know all the four sides are equal and all the angles are also equal, which are 90 degree each. This 90, this 90, so these two will automatically be 90. These four sides have equal length. So all the sides are equal. Okay, all these sides are equal. All the angles are 90 degree. All the angles are 90 degree and all the sides are equal to each other. Now next figure, this is a parallelogram which is shaped like Kaju Katli. So in this, opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal. And also one more thing, the adjacent angles have some equal to 180 degree. In this, these two lines are parallel to each other and these two lines are parallel to each other. Means these two parallel to each other and these two parallel to each other. And also these two sides equal these two sides equal, and these two sides equal. Okay, these two angles sum is 180 degree always. Now, what's the definition? Opposite angles equal. Let me change the pen color. Opposite sides equal and parallel. This is the symbol of parallel. This 11 is the symbol of parallel. And one more thing I have told you, adjacent angles make sum equals to 180 degree. Adjacent angle sum 180 degrees. Okay. Okay. Now this is a rhombus type shaped figure. This is a parallelogram shaped figure which is a rhombus. But there is a major difference between them, and only a single difference between them, that all the four sides are equal but the angles are not equal. Opposite angles are equal, the sum is the adjacent angle sum is 180 degree. This is the same with parallelogram and rhombus, but the sides are not same. Okay, so again the same things. These two sides equal, these two sides equal, these two also, means these four sides are equal to each other. My pen has fallen down. Oh yes, sorry for the mistake. Yes, these four sides are equal, these angles are equal, these two angles equal. Okay, and this plus this equals to 180 degree. So we'll add the same. All these sides equal, all the sides equal, and opposite angles equal. And at last, one more thing, adjacent angle sum equals to 180 degree. Now we come to our last and final figure. Yes, this is a kite. So what is a this is the same color. This is a kite, and a kite has the adjacent sides equal to each other. Means these two sides will be equal and these two sides will be equal. Okay, and also none of the angles are equal to each other. Okay, so adjacent sides equal, angles not equal. Okay, yes, so I would like to erase it. Now I would like to explain you one last thing on this clean board. What is that? The formula to find out the sum of the angles in any regular figure. For example, a regular parallelogram, it will be rhombus, or it will not be rhombus, it will be a square, because all the four sides are equal and angles are also equal. For example, let's make a regular uh, yeah, remove it. Firstly, yes. So according to me, this is a pentagon. Let's say this is a pentagon with all the sides equal and all the angles equal. Means this is a regular pentagon. So to find out the sum of the angles in it, we have a formula 180 into n minus 2. So it would be 180 into 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So into 3, which is 540 degree. Okay. And if you have to find out one angle, then we'll divide it by n, means by 5. So divided by 5, it will be 5 8 the 40, 5 9 the 40, 5 10 the 10 and 8, 108 degree will be our answer to find out the angles in parallel. So friends, this video is over. I have told you the formula to find out sum of angles, to find out a single angle in a regular figure, and also I have told you the types of quadrilaterals. And in next video, we will continue with exercise 8.1. Till then, bye bye.